Hey guys, today I'm going to make some duck cupcakes. The ingredients you'll need are some orange flavored candies, chocolates, marshmallows, cake mix, frosting, food dye, some gel, eggs, some vegetable oil, and some water. Now the materials are some measuring cups, a whisk, a spoon, some plastic wrap, a cupcake tray, and some liners. Also, a bowl and some toothpicks. Alright, so let's make this cake. First we're going to get half a package of cake mix and pour it into the bowl. Next, we're going to put in 1.5 egg whites. Now, put half a cup of water in. And now put 1/8 of a cup of vegetable oil. Now let's stir it. Alright, so now preheat the oven for 10 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're supposed to use a cooking spray, but I'm just using butter. Now put baking cups or liners in. So I put the mixture in a plastic bag. So now let's cut one of these corners and squirt it into the liners. Now let's put this in. So here it is. Now let's design these. Now let's slice the marshmallows in a diagonal pattern. Now let's put some frosting on it like this. Now let's put in the decorations. Now let's put this in the freezer while we make the yellow frosting. Now put the remaining frosting into this bowl. Now let's microwave this until it has the consistency of lightly whipped cream. Now let's dip this in. I'm molding the beaks and sticking them into tiny toothpicks so I can put these in the heads. So now I'm going to put in the eyes. Now let's put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.